people accused, the who are accused in the railway matter, are all activists from South Goa and have always participated in anything that has happened in Goa. Always been there, always supported, and always have been. Especially when it comes to railway, they have been there. When it comes to the matter that happened on Sunday, where the accused are falsely accused in this matter, firstly, there is no evidential proof that they have done the crime that they have been called upon here for investigation for. Secondly, they were not there on the time of the scene the scene that had happened. Thirdly, that is all false and fabricated. There's no evidential proof at all that the accused have done this thing. This is merely done just to stop them from protesting against the railway. Just to stop them and just to stop everything so the railway can go ahead illegally and can do whatever they want. My only plea to all the people would be like, if they are withholded because of the incident which they are falsely framed for, please all together come together for Goa and stand up with the protest against the railway. The police is yet investigating. So I think after the investigation, when they come upon something, when they have something which is a false evidence, I would say, or something, then I would come up with something. They're only called here for investigation.
So they are totally being framed, that is what you're saying?
Yes, they're only being framed. There's no evidential proof at all about this matter.
Very, very upsetting that the government is not worried that the railway has no documents to show. This is setting a precedent for future problems, because if any government or organization can come and steamroll over the people without bothering to do any land acquisition or do the documentation or go through due processes, it's very, very, very bad forecast of things to come for us.
To the people who have been accused of unnecessarily and without any kind of justification, we honestly feel that Goa is going to dogs with this kind of thing. We don't want the South Goa to be made into a coal hub. We don't want the government not to listen to its people. The people is a state and not a government.
गोवा पुलिसान केसीस जे आमचे रजिस्टर केले आमच्या वांगड्या बरोबर हू आर नोन फेसीस की आज पर्यंत जेच्यांनी गोंया खातीर काम करीत कंटिन्युअसली येयलेले आसा 4+10 अदर्स म्हणून केला. जर एक्चुअली तांच्यांनी कितें जर केला सुद्दां आसत न्हू जाल्यार 10 अदर्स कशें जावपाक शकता, पयली गोश्ट म्हणटा ती. सो 4+10 अदर्स म्हटल्यार दीस इज व्हेरी मच क्लियर कटली अंडरस्टूड दीस इज पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड केसीस. कळ्ळें तुका, जे आयज गव्हर्मेंट इज फेलियर. दीस इज अ सायन की जो कोण उलयता पळय त्याच्या अगेन्स्ट केसीस घालतात. सो तेकाच लागून हांव मागता की ओवरऑल जे गोंयकारा कडेन मागता की एक्चुअली लॉ एंड ऑर्डर कॉलेप्स जाल्लेली आसा आनी स्पेसिफिकली गव्हर्मेंट मिशनरीज जितके आहा पळय त्याचो जे हे लोकल MLAs आसा पळय ते मिसयूज करतात.
As far as I know, the railways did not even acquire the land at that time when the single line came, and there has not been any acquisition thereafter. So how is that the railways are claiming that it is their land? It was given out of goodwill by the people at that time. Now, the very fact that they don't have any documents is the reason why the deputy collector who was to be there in Valsam some time back, he did not turn up himself. He could only be arrogant in his office. You see, flung the file at the face of the Sarpanch, who is a lady, and he still was not punished for that.
Your reason of your presence here?
My reason for presence here is that I personally know most of the people who have been accused. And I know that they are incapable of doing anything wrong that way. They have been fighting all this while without any violence, without any wrongdoings.